Hello, welcome to this interesting video. In this video, I'm going to show you two exciting methods on how to convert decimal numbers to binary numbers. Please follow Learnifik on Instagram, like our page on Facebook, and subscribe to Learnifik on YouTube. After you subscribe on YouTube, click on the bell icon to get notifications when new videos are uploaded. Let's go straight to this example for method 1. Let's convert 52 in base 10 to a binary number. It is important to note that any number without a base written is assumed to be a number in base 10. Secondly, it is important to memorize the binary place value chart as shown on the screen, which can be created by multiplying 2 in increasing powers starting from 0. With this chart, the first thing to do is look at the number you want to convert. In this case, it is 52. Looking at the chart, you ask yourself which power of 2 is immediately less than or equals to 52. That number is 32. It is not 64 because 64 is greater than 52. So the first thing you do, you write down 32. Then you subtract 32 from 52, which gives 20. Looking at the chart again, the highest power of 2 on the chart, which is less than or equals to 20, is what? Yes, I know you said 16. Great. Don't forget to write 16 because it is a power of 2. When you subtract 16 from 20, it gives you 4. Then you say which number is immediately less than or equals to 4. That number is 4 because 4 equals 4. Now write down 4. Subtract 4 from 4, you will get 0. Since we have 0, we stop here. The next step is to check if the number you wrote down all add up to 52. So you say 32 plus 16 plus 4. Which gives 52. So you are correct. This check is very important to do before you go to the next step. The final step is replacing the 32, 16, and 4 on the chart with a 0 or a 1. Remember, in binary, 1 means on or yes, while 0 means off or no. Below 32, write down 1. For 16, write down 1. For 8, since we didn't use 8 in the calculations, write down 0 and so on. Now you see, when we convert 52 in base 10 to binary, it gives 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. The second method is based on repeated division. Let's use this method to confirm if we get the same result used for the first method. We start with the number 52. We will divide 52 repeatedly by 2 and writing down the remainder with a 0 or 1. Divide 52 by 2, which gives 26, remainder 0. Write down 0 under the remainder column. Also write 26 below 52. 26 divided by 2 is 13, remainder 0. 13 divided by 2 is 6, remainder 1. 6 divided by 2 equals 3, remainder 0. 3 divided by 2 equals 1, remainder 1. 1 divided by 2 equals 0, remainder 1. Note, 1 divided by 2 is actually 0.5. But in this case, we write down the 0 and the remainder 0.5, which is 1. We stop when we get to 0. So from bottom to top, you write down the remainders. Which method is easier for you? Let us know in the comment section. I would suggest you learn only one method you are comfortable with and practice, because practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.